All right, guys, so I got my package today. One of my students, Danny, is the owner of Warfighter Jerky Company. He's got some great flavors here. I got 4 packages from him: sweet and spicy, peppered jerky, and island teriyaki, and honey jalapeno. Right? So, all right. So I want to get into one of these right now because this packaging looks so good, and I can't wait to get it. I think I want to go with island teriyaki, guys, right here. Okay. So let's get into it. Let's check it out. All right. First of all, the packaging is awesome. I can smell it. I haven't even opened the bag yet, so it smells real good. All right. Good stuff. Island teriyaki. Oh wow, looks real nice too. Nice and moist, guys. I can see like some sesame seeds on here. Real tender jerky. Oh, my puppies love it too. Get out of here, this ain't for you. But it smells so good. You can smell that beef. I think that's why they all came running over. Guys, if you haven't seen Sasha on any of my videos, this is Sasha. But Danny, this stuff is awesome. First one I opened so far, and it's absolutely fantastic, buddy. I can't wait to get into the rest of them. So great job, great product you have here. Guys, again, this one is island teriyaki. And it's really good, and it's a nice soft jerky. Real tender too, Danny. You're gonna have to tell me your secret on that. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.